Imagine this: every day, a commuter braves the long wait as they cross the Panthur underbridge in southeastern Bangalore. A commute that takes up an hour each way, just to reach ITPL or the IT parks in Bellandur. But there's good news ahead. Starting January 2025, the South Western Railway's ambitious project will bring much needed change to the area. On 5th December 2024, SWR General Manager announced the completion of the first vent on the bridge, with the second expected to be ready by January next year. Once done, the bridge will feature two massive vents, each 9 meters wide and 4 meters tall, designed to accommodate two lanes of traffic in each direction. The project, which was approved in October 2020, is being carried out by the South Western Railway's SBC division, with K-Ride overseeing the addition of a new track to expand capacity. The first vent, completed in April 2023, faced delays due to drainage issues, but after quick repairs, it was opened to traffic in June 2024. Construction of the second vent began in February 2024, with plans to complete it by October. However, it's not just about the bridge. The S-Cross area has experienced significant delays due to land acquisition challenges and an ongoing court case. That said, progress is expected to pick up pace soon. For the local residents, it's been a long wait. With buildings at the S-Cross junction being demolished to widen the road, traffic has slowed to a crawl. But these disruptions are necessary for easing congestion and improving traffic flow in the future. In the meantime, alternative routes are available for commuters. If you're heading towards Kundlahalli or Panthur Dhine, you'll need to detour through Balgere Main Road via Silver Oak Road. Similarly, vehicles traveling towards Panthur Dhine should use Gunjur Palya Road to bypass the area. While these changes may cause some inconvenience, local authorities are asking commuters to cooperate and follow the designated detours to ensure smoother travel during construction. While most of the buildings on one side have been demolished, about 5 feet of land still needs to be acquired from the other side. This process, however, is still facing delays. Let's hope the daily inconvenience we face while commuting on the Panthur-Varthur road comes to an end soon. Another major issue in the past was waterlogging and flooding, primarily due to the absence of proper drainage systems. There were even instances where vehicles were submerged under the water. Thanks to a joint effort between BBMP and the railways, work is also being done to prevent flooding, further improving this key stretch of Bengaluru's infrastructure. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for your patience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Bengaluru's evolving roadways.